Take a look at the purpose for a writ of habeas data. It is precisely that again, to get information. But, there have been several decisions by the Supreme Court na sinasabi na pag meron ka namang ibang remedy, you don't have to utilize the writ of habeas data. Now, that's why merong mga decisions wherein dinismiss yung application for writ of habeas data because gumawa na ng ibang remedy yung petitioner. Nagsampa ng kaso. And pag tiningnan mo ngayon, kasi parang, alam mo yun, we have this rule, no? It's called forum shopping. I think you've heard about it.
Yes.
Okay, so, ayaw ng husgado ng Supreme Court na ang isang tao ay nagpo-forum shop. Pa-file yung ganito, pa-file ng ganito, pa-file ng ganito. And now, very clearly, the law itself says, pag nagsampa ka ng criminal action, combined na ngayon yung petition so that there is no discrepancy or contradiction between yung rulings ng two separate courts. It is something that's actually favorable, for the courts themselves, but also for the party. Kasi yung dalawa yung gumagalaw na kaso, isa na lamang. It's actually favorable to me.
Pero may copy rin ba kayo nung final na nag-ano nga sila ng clarification?
Hindi.
Sa order?
Hindi.
Wala kayong copy?
Hindi. Nakakataka nga it is what we lawyers call a litigious motion, meaning na isang motion na dapat pinasasagot yung kabilang partido.
Opo.
In ex parte nila.
Ano yung
ex parte meaning sila lang at yung korte. Tapos hindi kami binigyan ng kopya. Tapos ipinail nila alas 4 ng hapon ng Biyernes. Paano namin nalaman? Tumawag kami ng 4:30 PM ng Friday kasi inaalam namin kung pinapaset nga for hearing itong aming motion for a gag order. Kaya kami pumunta ngayon sa husgado kasi inaalam namin kung merong hearing. Sabi ng korte wala daw hearing, hindi sinet sa calendar. Apparently siguro baka Monday is a day where the judge would be making resolutions, no? Ito yung araw niya na ginagawa niya lahat ng mga dapat na mga issuances of the court, no? Pero so okay lang naman din. We went ahead and filed our dual motion today. No? Pero again, actually I really feel disrespected because as early as Friday morning, alam nila na may abogado na si Mr. Yap. And we gave them a copy of our entry of appearance. And yet, nung Friday afternoon, naglabas sila ng isang motion for clarification na hindi nila binigyan ng kopya yung kabilang abogado. We feel very disrespected. It is very unbecoming, for mga co-lawyers to actually be doing something that is no different from a subterfuge. Parang tinago nila. It's very unfortunate that they would be doing something like this. At hindi ko ini-expect yan sa isang law office na kasing tanyag. Kasi itong law office na kalaban namin.